Hello everyone, welcome to the second class of light chapter. In this chapter we learn about the rules of image formation by spherical mirror, image formed by concave mirror and image formed by convex mirror. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get a regular notification. Most important things, when you will drawing all the diagram, you have to draw with pencil and use scale and compass for proper diagram. Use all the notation properly. Rules of image formation by spherical mirror. There are four rules. First one, in a concave mirror, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes through the focus. Please check the diagram. On the other hand, in a convex mirror, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection appears to diverge from the focus. Second point, in a concave mirror, a ray of light passing through the focus after reflection goes parallel to the principal axis. On the other hand, in a convex mirror, a ray of light directed towards the focus after reflection goes parallel to the principal axis. Third point, in a concave mirror, a ray of light passing through the center of curvature after reflection is reflected back along the same direction. In a convex mirror, a ray of light directed towards the center of curvature after reflection is reflected back along the same direction as shown in the diagram. Fourth point, in a concave or a convex mirror, a ray of light directed obliquely at the pole is reflected obliquely, making equal angle with the principal axis. Here, the incident light rays is passing through the pole in both concave mirror and convex mirror, and according to the laws of reflection, the reflected light rays will move in the opposite direction, having angle of incidence and angle of reflection same. How the image are formed by concave mirror. Depending on the position of object, six different kind of diagram as well as the image can be formed by concave mirror. Let's see. In the first case, when the object placed at infinity, then check at the diagram. From the infinity, AB is the object. From there, two light rays parallel to the principal axis are coming and falling on the concave mirror. Now, according to the rules of formation of image, the light rays will reflect back through the focus. Means two reflected light rays will meet at focus. So the image will be formed at focus, and it will be very small, that is highly diminished, and it will be real and inverted. Why real? Because it is forming in front of the concave mirror. And if we'll see the different kinds of diagram, in this case we can observe the image is formed in the opposite direction of the object, that is inverted. Hence, the characteristics of the image formed when the object placed at infinity are that image will be formed at focus, it is highly diminished, and it is real and inverted. Now the second diagram, when the object present beyond C means center of curvature. Let's draw the diagram. At first draw a concave mirror, draw the principal axis through pole, and in the beyond center of curvature place the object, that is AB. It was drawn here in the diagram. Now, according to the rules of formation of image, draw a parallel light rays of the principal axis, and according to the rules, after reflection it will pass through the focus. Now draw the second light rays through the center of curvature, that is shown here, and according to rules it will reflect back in the same path. Now check it about both the reflected light rays, where they are coinciding, there the image will form on the principal axis as shown here. So the image, whatever the image is forming, it is in between C and F, that is center of curvature and focus. It is inverted and real, and it is diminished. Diminished means smaller than that of the object. Third diagram, when the object is present at center of curvature. Now similarly draw the concave mirror and draw two light rays from the top point of the object, that is point A. One is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection similarly it will pass to the focus, and another light rays you can take through the focus. After reflection it will be parallel to the principal axis. Now the two reflected light rays are coinciding here, and draw the image from that point on the principal axis as shown here. The image formed here at center of curvature, it will be same as the size of the object, it will be real and inverted. Next diagram, when the object present between focus and center of curvature. Just like the previous one, draw the object between focus and center of curvature and draw two lines. One is parallel to the principal axis and another line through the focus. After reflection, the parallel light rays will pass through the focus, and the light rays which is passing through the focus, after reflection it will be parallel to the principal axis, and both of these two reflected light rays will coincide at a point. From there on the principal axis we'll draw a line which is the image. Now here it is observed that the image formed is beyond center of curvature. Secondly, it is larger than that of the size of the object, that is enlarged, and it is real as well as inverted because it is in opposite direction the image is formed and in front of the mirror this is formed. Next diagram, when the object present at the focus in case of concave mirror. Here just similar way, draw two light rays, one is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it will pass through the focus. Another light rays through the center of curvature, after reflection it will pass through the same path. It is observed that both light rays will not coincide in this case. They may be coincide at infinity, but it is unknown. So what can we tell here? The image is formed at infinity. It is highly enlarged. It is real and inverted. Sixth diagram, when the object is present between pole and focus. In this case, similarly draw two ray diagram, one parallel to the principal axis, another through the center of curvature. Of the parallel light rays, after reflection it will pass through the focus, and the light rays which is passing through the center of curvature, after reflection it will pass through the center of curvature. But in this case it is observed that both the light rays are moving far away from each other, so at infinity also they cannot coincide in front of the mirror. So what you have to do it? You have to extend both the reflected light rays backward side in a dotted line as shown here. Now if we'll extend them, they will coincide at a point beyond the mirror, that is behind the mirror, where the two reflected light rays are coinciding. There the image will be formed on the principal axis. In this case, the characteristics of the image formed behind the mirror, it is enlarged, it is virtual and erect. It is virtual because it is forming behind the mirror, that's why it is called virtual, and it is erect as the object in a similar direction like the object. On the other hand, in a convex mirror, a ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection appears to diverge from the focus. Second diagram, when the object is between infinity and pole. In this case, you have to draw two light rays, one parallel to the principal axis and another one through the center of curvature. Here you have to keep in your mind, focus and center of curvature for convex mirror will be behind the mirror. Now, when you will draw the parallel light rays to the principal axis, it will diverge and the light rays will appear to come from the focus, and the reflected light rays which is passing through the center of curvature, it will reflect through the same path. It is observed that both the reflected light rays are coinciding behind the mirror as shown here. There is formation of the image. It is observed that the image is formed behind the mirror between pole and focus. It is diminished and virtual and erect. Thank you today. Revise and draw the diagram